Hello guys, welcome back to another video of cats. And today we're going to be pretty much trying to instant promote. You can see I have 14. I was doing a video and I was able to beat everybody in the stage I am in right now. I didn't instant promote last stage, which sucks. I couldn't beat one or two people. And it promoted me it for me. I'll show you on the map. It promoted for me. It ranked me as a 3, or I was ranked 3. Well, yeah. So someone on my Instagram told me to put a laser on. I had a good laser, so I put it on and I upgraded it to level 5. And we can instant promote right now. Let's just do a quick fight, because why not? Dang, this guy's tanky. Yeah, we flipped him over. I still kept the blade. But someone said turn it into a Sparky and put on a laser. I'm like, okay. Ready to get instant promoted? I sure am. Let's do this. First, nope. Second, nope. I tried to do another recording after this, and it got corrupted. Or not corrupted, it just got deleted. I deleted it, but there's no audio, which sucks. So, thank you for battling. Swag Unicorn, you're dead. I like how you look, though. Jeremias. Abio. Krish. Thanks for battling. Icy Angel. Let's see. Oh, yeah, he's not going to get through. Close. Oh, this is close. Woo! That's close. Sketchy. Oh, and bouncy boulder. No! No! That can't be happening. I wish there was double laser, so if they go behind you, that'd be awesome. But I have to upgrade my blade more. I'm on level 1, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna sell you. And no. And sell you. Then let's put some stuff on. Not the forklift, the blade. Yes, level 6 part. No, let's see. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. I'm gonna keep trying though. Get rid of this laser. This laser. And then put these blades back on. A little piece. I don't know why. I could put a chainsaw on it. No, I put it on the sneaky. I'm stupid. I'll just do that. Let's try again. I'm gonna skip to him though, because I don't want to go all the way through and just not win. I'm really hoping we can beat him. No! I really don't think we can. This sucks. I get past everyone and lose to a bouncing boulder. This sucks. I really thought we would be able to instant promote this episode. Well, karma strikes, because I did so good last episode and then I accidentally deleted it because there was no audio. Hopefully there's audio in this video. So let's just do some quick fights, because bouncing boulders suck butt. And this guy isn't a bouncing boulder, but he is one. Oh no, that was lucky. let's see. And we did a bet last episode, or the other video. We got a 1% on our chainsaw. 1% for chainsaw on our sneaky. I have an idea. Get rid of the forklift. Get rid of the forklift. And add a back pedal. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm hoping it does. So let's try. So I beat him. Couldn't get past him. Hopefully it's not the bouncing boulder that gets past me this time. Because if it isn't the bouncing boulder, I can just upgrade. I already upgraded my thing damage to a lot. My laser does like 400 damage. Not 400 damage, like 300 damage. No, 200 damage. Yeah. I'm just tripping. No. That happened. So, I think the forklift is better. I really want another back pedal, though. Because guess what happens when we get a back pedal? 6 on sneaky. Ooh, which one will be better? Get on there. Thank you. Let's try to beat let's see how good my top player in the clan is. Probably really good. Oh crap, we're dead. We scratched him a little bit. Wait, what type of blade does he have? Oh, this isn't him. Okay. I didn't even get to touch him. Let's see. He has one carbon blade, one metal blade, a gold wheel. What? This guy's all willy-nilly. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. It's kind of a short video. Well, I really thought we were gonna instant promote this video, so I had a lot more things planned. So I'm gonna upgrade off camera, get more gold. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe if you want to, and